আটাইতকৈ সফল দিন এটা। গতিকে মই বাকী কথা বতৰা আজি উত্তৰ নিদিওঁ, বেয়া নাপাব, অহাকালি পাতিম। আৰু সৰুকৈ এটা কথা ক'ব খুজিছোঁ যে অহা 24 তাৰিখে ঝুমুৰ নৃত্য হ'ব। ইয়াৰ পিছত অসম সংগীত অ মোৰ আপোনাৰ দেশ 1 কোটি অসমৰ লোকে একেলগে পৰিদৰ্শন কৰিব আৰু গৈ গুৱাহাটীত একেধৰণে 10,000 ল'ৰা ছোৱালীয়ে একেলগে বাগৰুম্বা পৰিৱেশন কৰিব। গোটেইখিনি ডিচেম্বৰৰ আগতে। State where different tribal groups and ethnic community used to live in peace. But post 1985, the Bodoland Territorial Council region has seen most violent agitation seeking a geographical political division of Assam. That agitation has claimed thousands of lives and with all practical purpose, the dialogue and discussion between the Bodo and the Assamese community had come to a standstill. However, post-2019, because of the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi and Home Minister Sri Amit Shah, and due to the absolute maturity and leadership shown by the Bodo leadership, today Bodoland has become symbol of unity, symbol of cooperation. Assam Assembly symbolize unity of Assam. Assam Assembly symbolize political unity of Assam. Today, Assam Assembly making a departure from the tradition has come to Kokrajhar and hold its historical session in Kokrajhar. Today is a historical day and we must celebrate that a dream of united Assam has ultimately realized. Today is a day which all the people of Assam will remember for a long time to come. Today in my speech I have appealed that in BTR the power structure is such that it will be always ruled by the tribal people. However, it has given a huge responsibility upon the tribal community to take care of the non-tribal community. So I have reminded them their historical responsibility. And I am sure that in BTR, both Bodo and non-Bodo from now onwards will live peacefully and with a sense of sharing of culture, sharing of power, sharing of prosperity. Thank you.